Tripp Kramer here from trippadvice.com. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 things that you need to know before you ask a girl out. Mainly, this video is for beginners, but really I hope that even if you don't feel you are a beginner, you're watching this anyways because there's some principles that are really crucial in asking girls out that I think a lot of guys forget. So let's go over them. First things first is you want to be direct. Okay, you want to be direct. So when you're asking a girl out, don't actually ask her out, just tell her. This is very good because this shows a lot of dominance, which is a very masculine trait, and it shows that you're going after what it is that you want. What do you want? You want to hang out with her. So if you ever have the opportunity to ask a girl out, maybe over text, maybe in person, just say to her, let's hang out. Okay, let her know you want to see her again. We should hang out sometime. You can suggest it. We should hang out sometime, but don't ask. Now listen, is this gonna be the make or break if you ask her? Is she gonna be like, oh, it's so unattractive. This guy asked me out in the form of a question. No, but I think that doing it in this direct way is gonna help kind of just get you practicing this dominant mentality of just going after what you want, saying what you want, and again, that will kind of take you into other areas of your life and then be more attractive. Number 2, you gotta remember this, very important. Expect rejection most of the time. If you're not getting rejected quite a bit, that means that you're being too particular. That means that you're really going after only one person every, I don't know, however many months or years, and you're keeping it really, really tight. Now, I get it, it's fine, be picky with who you want, but I believe that guys should be going out there and meeting lots of girls because you don't know what's gonna happen with this one girl. If you're meeting one girl every 6 months, that's not really a good ratio because you want to be practicing dating. You want to be going out and finding someone who's going to be awesome for you. So I want you to be dating a lot and expect rejection most of the time because that's what's going to happen. You're going to get rejected most of the time. That's normal. You're not going to be able to attract every single girl that comes your way. Yes, you will be able to attract more girls than not if you are using a lot of the techniques and principles that I talk about in my videos, but still, it's not possible. You will not make that connection with everyone you meet. Number 3, similar to what I was saying earlier, do it for the practice. Meaning, just ask the girl out. If you're thinking that, I don't know, maybe she's gonna reject you or you're not sure if you're into her, whatever it is, just ask her out. Do it for the practice. There's actually, I don't say a skill in asking a girl out, but it is a moment that is very hard for guys. So the more and more you do it, the more and more you practice it, just asking girls out, taking them out, that's gonna help you be more comfortable in the future when it happens again. If you're just doing it every once in a while, it's still gonna be kind of scary for you if it is right now, okay? So make sure that when you have an opportunity to do it, just go for it. Don't hold back. Don't make excuses in your head like, oh, she'll probably say no. Get the rejection, do it for the practice. Number 4, don't wait too long. If there is a girl at your work or at your class, there's a girl that you have in your social circle that you really like, or the girl that you see on the subway all the time. Listen, don't wait too long. Just go for it. Like I said earlier, you're gonna get rejected most of the time, so just make it happen. Here's the thing. The longer you wait, the less and less a girl is attracted to you. She wants you to ask her out if she likes you. So in theory, if she likes you, she's gonna want you to ask her out, and the longer you wait, she's just gonna be like, okay, this guy doesn't even like me, or she's gonna be able to tell, like she can tell that you're too nervous to do it, and that is also not attractive. Women like guys who go after what they want, like I said in the very beginning of this video, right? Just being dominant, going for it. So don't wait too long. Go for the rejection. Keep that in your head. Remember, again, practice. So you see how I'm tying all these principles together. Let's go to number 5. Remember this, a girl is not gonna do this for you. Bottom freaking line. She is not going to ask you out. This is another reason why guys wait too long, is because they're thinking, well, maybe she'll do it, or maybe she'll say the perfect thing that just offers like this perfect moment where it's gonna happen. No, girls waiting for you to do it. Not because they're entitled, not because they're lazy, and I would say even not because of society's standards. I'd say for the primal reason is she's looking for a guy who is, like I said, dominant. That is the masculine trait that she looks for. That's what she wants to see, just like you're looking for the feminine qualities to become attracted to her. So you need to just go for it. Stop wasting time. I think you see the theme here of this video. Just do it, okay? Stop worrying so much. Now, there's a really big mistake that guys make when asking a girl out. Huge. Go to the description. There's a YouTube video that's going to teach you all about that. Let me hear you in the comments, and I want to hear you say that you went for it. Like literally type in the comments, I went for it, for a girl that you've been waiting to ask out. Who cares if you get rejected? Go for it. Let's hear you in the comments. See you on the next one.
If you're having trouble meeting hot women in your town and getting them interested in you, then listen up. I have an undetectable way of getting girls instantly attracted to you, even if you're ugly, broke, and live at home with your parents. This system has worked for thousands of guys, and it can work for you too. I teach it in my program called Hooked, where you'll also learn 2 behaviors most men do that instantly destroys any attraction. My 3-step friend zone escape plan to reset her feelings for you and get her liking you. 30 different pre-written texts to send a girl that make her want to meet up with you. And how to have unshakable confidence so you can approach any beautiful woman in any place. If you want to learn this and how to get women hooked on you, then go to getherhooked.com. Again, that's getherhooked.com.